Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at one of the most futuristic and aggressive luxury SUVs currently dominating the automotive world. This stunning BYD SUV is not just another family vehicle. This machine is a complete statement of luxury, power, technology and road presence. From its massive body kit to its sharp LED lights, everything about this SUV looks premium, bold and futuristic. If you are a fan of luxury SUVs, sporty designs, modern interiors and aggressive styling, then this vehicle is going to blow your mind. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because today we are covering every single detail of this incredible SUV, including the exterior, interior, technology, comfort, performance, safety features and the overall driving experience. Now let's start with the exterior design, because honestly this SUV looks absolutely insane. The first thing you notice is the aggressive road presence. This vehicle looks wide, muscular and extremely premium. The black and white dual-tone body gives the SUV a luxury VIP style appearance that immediately grabs attention. The glossy black paint reflects beautifully under bright showroom lighting, while the white sporty body kit creates a perfect contrast that makes the SUV look even more futuristic. The front fascia is one of the best parts of this vehicle. The massive front grille gives the SUV a bold and dominant appearance, while the sharp LED daytime running lights create a modern cyberpunk style look. The vertical LED light design makes the front end look futuristic and extremely expensive. The headlights are slim, aggressive and perfectly integrated into the front design. Every angle of this SUV feels sharp, sporty and luxurious at the same time. Moving to the side profile, the SUV continues to impress. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, giving the vehicle a powerful stance. The oversized black alloy wheels perfectly match the sporty body kit, while the low-profile tires improve the aggressive appearance. Tinted windows add a premium VIP feel and the wide body fenders make the SUV look even more dominant on the road. This is the kind of vehicle that instantly turns heads, whether parked inside a luxury showroom or driving through city streets. The reflections on the glossy body combined with the showroom lights make the SUV look like a concept car brought into real life. Now let's move to the rear design, because the back side of this SUV looks equally stunning. The rear spoiler gives the SUV a sporty, performance-inspired appearance, while the LED taillights create a sharp, futuristic look. The aggressive rear bumper combined with the quad exhaust outlets gives the SUV a muscular and athletic personality. The white rear diffuser area perfectly balances the black paint and creates an eye-catching contrast. Everything about the rear design feels modern, luxurious and sporty. This SUV genuinely looks incredible from every single angle. Now let's step inside the cabin, because this is where the SUV truly becomes a luxury machine. The interior design feels futuristic, premium and extremely comfortable. The dashboard layout is clean, modern and technology-focused. Premium leather materials cover the seats, dashboard and door panels, while soft touch surfaces create a high-quality luxury feeling. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a relaxing atmosphere, especially during nighttime driving. The large digital instrument cluster and modern infotainment display give the interior a high-tech, futuristic appearance. Everything inside this SUV feels premium and driver-focused. The steering wheel design looks sporty and luxurious, while the center console feels modern and elegant. The seats are another major highlight of this vehicle. They are large, comfortable and supportive, making both city driving and long-distance travel extremely enjoyable. The premium leather upholstery looks expensive, while the soft cushioning provides excellent comfort. Rear passengers also get impressive legroom and headroom, making this SUV perfect for families, luxury travel and business use. Cabin insulation is excellent, which means outside noise stays minimal and the driving experience feels smooth, quiet and relaxing. This SUV truly combines comfort, practicality and luxury together. Now let's talk about technology, because BYD has packed this SUV with advanced modern features. The infotainment system is large, responsive and easy to use. The graphics look modern while the controls feel smooth and premium. The SUV includes wireless smartphone connectivity, premium audio system, ambient lighting, multi-zone climate control, push start button, electronic parking brake, 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, advanced driver assistance features and a fully digital cockpit. All these features help create a futuristic driving experience that competes with many expensive luxury SUVs currently available on the market. Now let's discuss the performance and driving experience, because this SUV is not only about luxury styling, it also delivers a confident and smooth drive. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections very well, making the ride quality comfortable and refined. The wide body stance improves stability, while the steering feels smooth and controlled. Acceleration feels responsive and confident, especially during highway driving. This SUV feels powerful, stable and enjoyable behind the wheel, whether driving in heavy city city traffic or cruising on open highways. The vehicle maintains a premium driving feel, and thanks to its massive road presence, driving this SUV feels special every single time. Now let's take a closer look at the wheels and braking system, because they play a huge role in the overall personality of the vehicle. The large black alloy wheels perfectly complete the aggressive styling while also improving handling and stability. The sporty wheel design gives the SUV a luxury performance appearance, and the braking system feels strong, responsive and reliable, providing confidence during sudden stops and high-speed driving. Everything about this SUV feels engineered to balance luxury, comfort and sporty performance together. Safety is another important part of modern luxury vehicles, and this BYD SUV comes equipped with multiple advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS braking, electronic stability control, traction control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors and a high-quality rear camera system. These features help improve driver confidence and passenger safety, making the SUV suitable for both daily driving and long-distance travel. BYD continues to improve its reputation globally by offering advanced technology, modern engineering and strong safety systems. One of the most impressive things about this SUV is its showroom presence. Under bright luxury showroom lights, the glossy black paint shines beautifully, while the white body kit adds an aggressive sporty contrast. Reflections on the polished body panels make the vehicle appear even more premium and futuristic. Every angle looks cinematic and eye-catching. This SUV genuinely feels like something from the future. The combination of luxury styling, futuristic lighting, aggressive body kit and premium detailing creates an unforgettable visual experience. So what is the final verdict on this incredible BYD luxury SUV? Honestly, this vehicle delivers almost everything modern SUV buyers want. It combines futuristic styling, luxury comfort, advanced technology, sporty design and strong road presence into one complete package. The black and white dual-tone design gives the SUV a unique VIP appearance, while the aggressive body kit transforms it into a true head-turner. The interior feels premium and high-tech, the driving experience feels smooth and refined, and the overall design looks absolutely stunning. If you are looking for an SUV that stands out from ordinary vehicles while still delivering comfort, luxury and modern features, then this BYD SUV is definitely worth attention. It looks expensive, feels futuristic and offers a premium experience from every angle. This is more than just a vehicle, it is a complete luxury statement. So guys, that was our full review of this amazing BYD luxury SUV. Let me know in the comments what you think about this futuristic beast. Would you drive this SUV or not? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more luxury car reviews, futuristic SUVs and premium automotive content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.